Hi, I'm Liz Bohan. These are the 5 steps to train your own AI chatbot using ChatGPT Create. No code, low cost, lots of creativity. This project equips educators with accessible tools to solve real instructional gaps using AI. No code is required, the cost is minimal, and the outcome is driven by creativity and real world application. In this video, you will learn how to access ChatGPT from OpenAI, create your own chatbot, customize that bot, share it, and finally test and refine your bot. So let's get started. Step 1, access ChatGPT. Visit chat.openai.com and sign up for an account. To create your own custom chatbot using the ChatGPT builder, you'll need to upgrade to the paid GPT Plus plan to access those features for the next steps. Step 2, create your custom GPT. Go to the Create GPT option and start building your bot. Step 3, customize your chatbot. These are a few options for configuration and customization. You will need to name it, give instructions, choose an avatar, and fill the bot with relevant information. Let's navigate to GPT and watch these steps. Once you have logged in and reached your GPT section, click Create. You might land on the Create page, click Configure. Let's say you're a GED teacher and you're helping adult learners build typing skills and prepare for an extended response section. You might want to name your bot GED Help Bot, or maybe GED Essay Help Bot. And in the description, you could say bot to help learners build typing skills and learn how to create extended response for GEDs reading through language arts section. Now we come to the instructions. In the instructions, you want to provide details. You can see I've given a significant amount of detail to the chatbot. I included age, tone of voice, provided it with its main goals, instructed it down here, do not write the essay, give them questions, examples. So get detailed with that. In the next part, conversation starters, you want to guide the bot by giving it actual phrases to help the bot understand where it needs to direct the participant. And as you add more, it keeps giving you more options. Do as many as you need to make the bot relevant. You can also upload files, and here are other abilities, as well as you can add new sections. And I'll leave you to explore those on your own. And I want to note the preview of your bot. It shows you how it will start to look. When you're ready, click Create and decide who will have access to the link. Save and give it a moment to publish. Here's the link to your bot, and click View GPT to get inside. We're now inside the EssayBot Help. Help me write my essay. And this is an okay response. So step 4, generate a public link to share the bot with learners. Here's the bot. Here's the share button. Click share. Make certain that this was available to the public, and then create the link, copy the link, and share. Step 5. Test and refine. Chat with your bot to test it. Refine based on its responses and adjust the instructions or data based on its responses. Click on the down arrow and edit GPT to reach back into the configuration and creation portion of your bot, providing it with changes and making updates. If you are enrolled to train your own AI chatbot course, you can use what you learned about prompt correction during your lessons to guide those changes. You'll also find a peer review rubric to help you refine and improve your chatbot even further. A few tips: be specific with your instructions, test often, and update based on results. And of course, follow ethical guidelines and local policies when sharing or collecting any kind of data. Let's review. The 5 steps to create a chatbot include accessing ChatGPT through OpenAI, create your bot, customize your bot, share your bot, test and refine your bot. And that's it. You've learned how to build a custom AI chatbot tailored for your learners' needs. Thank you for participating and happy training.